In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate your video SEO, even if you've never touched SEO, even if you've never touched video SEO, even if you consider yourself a complete video SEO rookie, you are going to be able to use this simple few click method to get those number 1, number 2, and even number 3 Google and YouTube rankings applying this video SEO method. So let's jump into it. In this video, you're going to learn how you can quickly automate your video SEO even as a complete rookie when it comes to video SEO. And the software we're going to be using is a software called Videly, which is the cloud-based version of Video Marketing Blaster. Now, the fantastic benefits of this software is the fact that you can log in from any computer, Mac, PC, or wherever you are in the world, even a mobile, jump in and start producing yourself some results. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the video details tab. Now in this video detail tab, you've got two options. This one's a little bit if you have your own keywords, but if you just want to quickly generate your own information, click on generate details, and right here you can say, well, what is my main keyword? Now let's pretend I'm a plumber and I want to rank for plumbing services and then my local geo. So my local geo would be something along the lines of Salford. So I'm going to type in plumbing services Salford. Okay, so now that is my main keyword, and right here you can see select a main niche. So local business, general, or custom. The local business is in the pro version, but don't worry about that even if you don't go with the pro version, because you don't really need it unless you're gonna go hardcore with this. So I'm just gonna do general, and right here it's already starting to select the best titles for my videos, which can be edited shortly. So I'm gonna go with plumbing services Salford, plumbing services Salford, new video, and then I'm going to go ahead and click next step. Okay, so now what they're also doing is they're suggesting other relatable keywords which you can choose to use or not use, or use for inspiration down the line to rank another video using this video SEO method. So I'm just going to leave these as they are. I'm not going to touch any of that. And for the secondary keyword, you can see it's suggesting all sorts of things, and I actually think a really good one is 24-hour plumbing services Salford, because let's face it, you know, in an emergency, people are going to be typing in 24-hour. Okay, and now that I've selected 24-hour plumbing services Salford, you can also type in your own custom keywords if you don't want to use the suggestions right there. So I'm going to add stuff like toilet repairs Salford. Okay, and if you're wondering, Marty, how do you know where to get these keywords and stuff like that, I actually have a completely free local business overnight ranking course that you can find in the link below this video that you can enroll in for absolutely free. Let's go to next step. Okay, so now what you want to do, you want to enter in your website, your channel, your YouTube channel, your Facebook channel, your Twitter, and your Instagram links, okay? And what this will do is it will automatically populate our description with our relevant links, because let's face it, it's not enough having a video. You want people to take a next step action, which is why we put in this information. And one last thing, if you also want to store this information for a later point, you can click on this icon here and you can either save the profile or delete the profile, and you'll be able to name it. So if I do save profile and label it as plumber, okay, I'm just going to do save template. There we go, and now you can see we have the plumber, and that will load the template stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and click generate and generate details. Okay, so instantly you can see that's actually generated the details, and now you can see I've got another slot here which has all the information. So I'm going to click on that, and now you can see we have video details. So we've got the title, which is plumbing services Salford, sink repairs Salford, amazing. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of this amazing thing right there. So just get rid, and boom, just like that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press save, and now let's look at the description. So open the following link to find out more about plumbing services Salford. Now that's good and everything, but I'm just going to make this a little bit more simple and just type in click here for, there we go, okay, and I'm just going to press save. Okay, and again we're going to get rid of this, okay, and this video is all about blah blah 24-hour plumbing, and you can see it's where these highlighted fields are, it's automatically using the keywords that we selected before. I put in toilet repair Salford, sink repair Salford, and you can see that this sort of text will actually rank really well. Now, one important thing to understand when it comes to descriptions of YouTube videos is that most people, not everyone, but most people, especially with this sort of video SEO method, are not going to read the entirety of your description. They're going to see the first few lines. So I'm on YouTube, and what you can see, funny enough, is a video that I created a week ago is still #1 ranking on Google, ironically. So you can see that most people, what they will do is they will actually look at the description here, and even if we click on the video and scroll down, you can see that this is the important bit, and then show more is where the rest of the information comes in. And right here, the important bit is you want your URL to be there, and you want your phone number to be there as well, okay? But back to Videly's software, you can see it's got the description. I'm just going to leave it in as so, and if we scroll down, it's got the recommended tags for you to use, so you can actually see it's saying these are the best tags if you want to rank for your selected keyword. And then if you don't like the title, well, it's got all of these suggested titles, and it's got these suggested sentences to add into your description that you just click, and suggested tags if you're not overly keen, okay? And then from there, all you would do is take the title, and when you're uploading your YouTube video, you would simply paste the title into your title, paste the description into your description, paste the tags into the tags area, and you're done. And as you can see, you get rankings like this. And if we just quickly go to Google, go to videos, and you can see I'm #2 for plumbing services Salford, when in fact I was actually ranking for 24-hour plumbing services Salford, and I'm actually #1 for that search phrase. So the method works, it sticks, and that is how you can automatically generate video SEO and get those #1 rankings on Google and YouTube. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and in the next video I'm going to show you how you can track your keywords and your videos so you can always see what your positioning is in Google and YouTube. I'll see you next time.